In a significant move aimed at alleviating the burden of student loan debt, the Biden administration has announced a critical extension for the student loan forgiveness program. The U.S. Department of Education has extended the deadline for borrowers to request loan consolidation to June 30th, superseding the previous deadline of April 30th. This extension represents a pivotal opportunity for borrowers to consolidate their federal student loans into a single new federal loan, potentially expediting the process of debt cancellation and, in some cases, resulting in immediate forgiveness. U.S. Undersecretary of Education James Kval underscored the urgency of the Department of Education's efforts to ensure that borrowers receive proper credit for every month they've rightfully earned toward forgiveness. The department is working swiftly to ensure borrowers get credit for every month they've rightfully earned toward forgiveness, Kval stated, emphasizing the commitment to rectify the systemic issues plaguing student loan borrowers. Until June 30th, borrowers enrolled in income-driven repayment plans who opt for loan consolidation will benefit from a one-time adjustment to their payment count. This adjustment is poised to revolutionize the forgiveness landscape by considering the longest payment history among all their loans. Moreover, it encompasses periods that were previously excluded from forgiveness calculations, such as certain months spent in deferments or forbearances. The impact of this adjustment is particularly significant for borrowers enrolled in the Public Service Loan Forgiveness (PSLF) program, as they can receive additional credit for qualifying employment months upon certification. The payment count adjustment represents a pivotal step in addressing the long-standing issues faced by student loan borrowers. Following evidence unearthed by a 2022 U.S. Government Accountability Office report, which highlighted discrepancies in the proper accounting of borrower payments, and findings by the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, which revealed the undue financial strain caused by costly forbearances, the Biden administration committed to a comprehensive review of accounts in income-driven repayment plans. This commitment underscores the administration's dedication to fostering a fairer and more equitable student loan landscape. Education experts emphasize the transformative potential of the payment count adjustment. While loan consolidation traditionally restarts the forgiveness timeline, rendering it a risky move for borrowers on the path to cancellation, the current adjustment offers unprecedented benefits. For instance, borrowers who have diligently made payments over many years or carry multiple loans from different periods could immediately qualify for forgiveness. Consider a borrower who graduated in 2004, pursued further education in 2018, and is currently on a 20-year income-driven repayment plan. Through consolidation, they could expedite the forgiveness process, bypassing the need to wait another 14 years for full debt relief. The urgency of this opportunity cannot be overstated. Jane Fox, the chapter chair of the Legal Aid Societies Union, urges all potentially eligible borrowers to seize this moment. Everyone who thinks there is even a possibility they may be eligible should take the time to find out, Fox advises, highlighting the ease of the application process. To apply for a direct consolidation loan, borrowers can visit studentaid.gov or contact their loan servicer. The application process is streamlined, typically requiring less than 15 minutes to complete. Importantly, all federal student loans, including federal family education loans, Parent Plus loans, and Perkins loans, are eligible for consolidation, according to higher education expert Mark Kantrowitz. Kantrowitz also notes that in certain circumstances, borrowers may be eligible for refunds if they've made more payments than required for forgiveness. As the June 30th deadline looms, borrowers are urged to act swiftly to capitalize on this unprecedented opportunity to navigate the complexities of student loan repayment and secure the debt relief they deserve. Through proactive engagement with the loan consolidation process, borrowers can pave the way toward financial stability and pursue their educational and professional aspirations without the burden of overwhelming debt.